class. Today I will talk about how can you disable and fasten notifications on your tracking fast app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. When just click here on me, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notification. So you click here on notification here. Then you come to next step here. Come here to end fasten. Just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean end fasten notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.